Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by launching Microsoft Edge and immediately opening a dedicated in private window. Once done, press Ctrl+Shift+N or choose Menu New in private window so browsing starts without history or cookies. Make sure you sign out of any shared profile before proceeding, because in private isolates local data but not an active synced account. You want a fresh session. Save any work in other windows, then open the in private window to continue with privacy-active browsing and isolate. Now focus on how to use in private effectively. Right-click any link and choose Open in New in Private window when you need only that page private, and remember Ctrl+Shift+N creates full private windows. Extensions are off by default. Enable only per site if necessary, because extensions can leak data. Also, in private applies tracking prevention and clears cookies, site data, and history on close. This is why you shouldn't sign into services you want cleared automatically within this session. Finish by confirming you're actually private. Look for the blue in private badge at the top of the window and confirm extensions are off unless explicitly enabled. When finished, close every in private window to force clearing of local cookies and history. If you ever notice data persisting, make sure you're not signed in with sync enabled. Clear the cache via Settings Privacy, restart Edge, and install updates. These steps resolve most issues when in private behavior doesn't match expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.